Today I'm going to show you how to clean your N95 mask, which I think is a very good way. It's using steam. You should have all these things available to you at your home. So let's take a look and I'll show you how to do it. So now we got the water boiling. Take your device, put it down there. This is going to hold the mask up off the water. And now it's going to start steaming. First we're going to steam the inside of the mask, get that clean. Go ahead and leave it like that for 15 to 20 seconds. Its steam is going to clean it on the inside and the outside. Turn it off. Now we're going to open it. Go ahead and pull your mask out. Gonna put it down on a nice clean surface. We'll let it cool off. What I have right here in this bottle is rubbing alcohol. So what we're going to do is after it cools off, we're going to go ahead and spray some of this on the mask to help make sure that it's clean. So I'm going to take the rubbing alcohol and I'm going to spray some on the front of the mask. Now, turn it over. I'm going to spray the inside. Now, we're going to let it hang and dry. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another video about how to clean your N95 mask. And last time I used the stove and a pot to steam the water. But recently I went to Target. I picked this up. I only paid $13.95 for it, and we'll use this to steam the mask today. Doing some more research, another thing I found out was that you can actually use hydrogen peroxide to steam the mask. So we're going to do two ways today. We'll put water in here only and steam the mask, and we'll put some hydrogen peroxide in there and steam the mask. Let's get started. So I've taken it out of the package. What we're going to do now is just go ahead and pull the top off. We're going to fill it with water. So right here you can see that there's a maximum fill level. We're going to fill the water up to this level right here. It says that you can steam with this for 1 minute up to 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and put the water in. So I don't know if you can see it, but the water is filled up to the max level now. I'm going to put the top back on. Let's go. So I have my mask I've been wearing. So right now, we're going to steam it. Steam the outside first, and then we'll steam the inside. We'll do this total for about 2.5 minutes on one side and 2.5 minutes on the other. So we just finished with the outside. Now we're going to do the inside. So now we've done the inside and the outside. I've only done it for 2.5 minutes on the inside and the outside. Just as a demonstration, you can do it for as long as you want. I've got my cup, I've already filled it with water halfway. I'm going to fill the other line with hydrogen peroxide. So I just filled it up using this. Now we're going to put this mixture into the steamer. Alright, so now I'm going to pour the solution into the steamer. Now we have it all filled up, so we're going to go ahead and steam the mask. As I mentioned, we're only going to do it for 2.5 minutes per side. Just for the video, you're going to need to do it longer for yourself. By the way, this gets very hot, so we've already sterilized this little tool from the kitchen to hold the mask because it does get extremely hot. Now I'm ready, let's get started. Alright, we just finished the front, now let's do the back. Remember to steam clean the straps as well. So now you finished cleaning your mask, just hang it up to dry. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to disinfect your N95 mask using the convection oven. Let's all acknowledge one thing. On this mask, this is a one-time use mask. After you're done using it, you'd throw it away. Anytime before this, we'd throw it out. But today we cannot go to the store and buy these anymore. So what we gotta do, we gotta reuse them. And as you know, anything that you do to this mask is gonna compromise the filtration system of this mask. So what we're trying to do is limit the amount of compromise that's happening to this mask. And this is the best way that I think it can be done. Alright guys, so we got the N95 mask. We've got the water filled up to the line there. Got a piece of paper that's going to hold the moisture for the water while I put it in there. And of course we have our lid. So what we're going to do is we can go ahead and put the mask inside. Go ahead and take your paper, put it inside. And go ahead and wet the paper towel. It's all empty. Go ahead and put the lid on top. Alright, let's go put it in the oven. So we're going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. And now we're going to go ahead and put the mask in the oven. Alright, and now we're going to let it go for 30 minutes. Alright, 40 minutes is up. Go ahead and take it out. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just take off the top and let it sit for about 5 minutes. So after you're taking your mask out, go ahead and put it in a bag and wait until you're ready to use it again. If you have any comments on ways that you've been cleaning your mask, go ahead and leave those down in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you guys. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be safe, be smart, be kind, and we'll see you in the next one.